Hello everyone. What I should say is I actually was supposed to be setting up my garage sale today. So we had a plan all in place. I was going to spend 3 hours in the garage this afternoon, this evening, setting everything up so that we could open it tomorrow morning and just get this thing done with. And I know some of you had said, Fly Lady says don't even do garage sales. I've got too much stuff, and let's face it, I'd rather make a few bucks than just donate everything. Now, after the garage sale, a lot of it is going to be donated because I think I've mentioned it, but I have a inventory sale that is really more pressing and important to me. But I really wanted to do this just to unload a lot of this stuff. And a lot of the stuff is all absolutely like brand new stuff that I had for the job that I had before I quit. So I have a lot of stuff that I just need to get rid of, and it just felt like a garage sale was the way to do it. I'm sticking with the plan. We came up with a counterpart, and the reason that we are not doing our 3 hours tonight is because Mother Nature said, let's just make it rain. So our whole afternoon we have gotten rained out. So our plan is gone. New plan. It's Tuesday night. The plan is to open up Wednesday morning. The new plan is wake up early Wednesday morning, take the 3 hours, open up between 10 o'clock and 11 on Wednesday. And that's just how she roll. So tomorrow the garage sale is still on. We're gonna make this happen. So I decided to turn tonight into something different. I wanna get even just for my sanity, to come in from the garage sale and have the house clean is okay, I really want that. Two is my mother-in-law's coming, and I really want the house to look good for her. And actually, I have to be honest, the house looks pretty good. It looks like 3 people have lived in it for several days, or a couple, since I did my last, my last home blessing, you could say, was my reset from But First Coffee. And so it's been it's been a hot minute. It's been a couple weeks, you guys, since I've done that. So 3 people have lived in this space, and it looks good. It's a few things need to be picked up and tidied. I went to Costco today, so I am still putting away some groceries. I'm gonna do some meal prepping, so I have lunches ready while I'm doing this garage sale. The house is not in a state that I would not be comfortable inviting my mother-in-law over. It looks good. And the reason I say that is because my mother-in-law is a amazing cook. She is a really good housekeeper. Her house, whenever I have gone in it, she'll say, oh, come on in, leave your shoes on. The house is a mess. And I look around and it's pristine. So that's why I like to have my house. And it makes me feel good to have my house look really nice when I have people over, no matter who they are. If it's my mother-in-law or my mom or my dad or my best friend, I want the house to look good. So now you know that. Instead of taking my 3 hours to set up that garage sale tonight, we are moving it to tomorrow, and I'm doing a home reset. And I'm going to also do some meal prepping. So I'm kind of going to be bouncing around a little bit, but I am going to set my timer so that I work in hour increments, because I'm doing no more than 2 hours. I'm going to be working in the garage for 3 days. I'm taking the night off. So I am going to set that. I'm really hoping for a 90-minute. Wouldn't it be awesome if I do this in an hour? But anyway, I got stuff to do. I got 60 minutes. I've got music in my ear. I've got 60 minutes. Let's go. We're starting with, okay. Yesterday I did 2 loads of laundry. I forgot about them. have not gotten all the kitchen done. Got the kitchen to do. I still have to do the floors. I've got this basket to go through still. This is looking pretty good except floors. Owen was hanging out in the bed. So the floor's in here, but this bathroom is done. This room is done. Ooh. So 1 hour, got all 3 upstairs bathrooms done. And almost everything else. So we still have floors. So vacuuming and mopping. So I'm going to set, because I'm on a roll and I'm feeling it. I don't feel tired. I am gonna just set it for another hour and I'm gonna hope that I am done, including the downstairs bathroom and then getting the laundry ready. So I have to strip the bed for the guest room where my mother-in-law is gonna stay. 60 minutes. So my house reset before my garage sale that starts tomorrow has to come to an end. I have not finished the floors and I was about to just do them and I realized I forgot to clean the mop head from the last time I did floors. This thing stinks. I'm angry at myself. That was a big miss on my part. So this needs to go and get cleaned. I will finish the mopping tomorrow. I have some meal prep to do tonight still, as well as make dinner, and I have some work on the computer to do. So this reeks. I need to get rid of it. So gross.